to a fourth recipe video. Today we will do a spring quinoa parsley salad. And I want to introduce all the ingredients to you to begin with. So what we have here is we have celery, we have lemons, we have a couple of apples, apricot, pumpkin seeds, we have a feta, olive oil, salt and pepper, a honey, and then we'll go and pick up our parsley from our unit. So what we'll do now, we are going to boil our quinoa for 20 minutes, and I'm just going to add in some salts. Alright guys, we're downstairs by our units, and we're going to pick up our fresh parsley for today's recipe. Come on in.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
What can I get you today?
So I'd like some parsley.
Some parsley, okay.
Yes, a little more.
A little more?
Yeah. This smells really good, guys. Okay, back to the kitchen. Okay guys, we're back in our kitchen. As you can see, we have this beautiful parsley that we just harvested from our farm. And it truly smells like parsley. I want to talk to you about the difference of the parsley that you can get from growing hydroponically versus the stuff you get from your regular grocery store. First of all, the leaves, they're quite bigger. You can smell the parsley, you can actually smell it, and you can taste that it tastes like parsley. So this is just one of the benefits of growing your own stuff indoor hydroponically. Okay, our next step is that we're going to chop all our produce, and I'm going to start with the celery. So I'm just cutting off the ends. We'll need those. Next step is that we're going to do our dressing. So what I'll do is I'll add in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, some of our lemons, which gives that fresh spring taste, as we talked about. And my portion is for 4 people, so you can always adjust it, the portion however you prefer. Okay. Alright, I think we have enough juice. And then I'll just add in a little bit of honey to give a little sweetness. Mix it all, stir it all together. Okay. Okay, so I got our quinoa, it's all cooked here. We're going to add in our celery. We're going to add in our apricot, our apples, and our parsley from the farm. Finally, I'm going to add our feta cheese. Just drizzle it on the top here with a little bit of our pumpkin seeds. And finally, our dressing. All right, just stir it all together. And there you go, guys. Here's your feast. Okay, guys, we have John. He's a digital manager. He's behind every pictures and every content you see on our social media. And I would like to have John taste our recipe today.
Super excited to taste this.
Good. Okay.
Man, it looks so good. Mmm,
You like
that
it?
is really tasty.
Good. Let me have a taste. Mmm. It's really good. Parsley gives it flavor, huh?
Yeah, you can really taste it. And the lemon juice is really nice with the sweetness.
Right. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.